Ravi Singh, your computer science teacher, and today I came here with my new topic, that is to convert the expression in postfix notation by using stack, status or by using stack. Clear? One question is given on the board and we have to convert the given expression in postfix expression by using stack operation or by updating the stack status regularly. Clear? Now come on the topic. What we have to do? We have to convert the given expression into postfix form. Expression into postfix form showing stack status after every step in tabular form. This is a different kind of question in which we have to use stack expression, stack status. By updating stack status, we have to convert the given expression in postfix form. Clear? Firstly, what we have to do? We have to convert this expression in postfix expression by using general method. Clear? The question is a plus b star, a plus b star c minus d division e power f star g star h. Clear? We have to convert this expression in postfix expression by using general method. Clear? Then we will come on our topic, that is to convert the expression by using stack status or by showing stack status. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to convert the innermost expression. Firstly we have to solve the innermost expression, then we will move further. Clear? What is the innermost expression? It is given here. Clear? Now convert a plus b star c minus division and power operator is given. We have to give priority to which operator? Which operator? We have to give priority to power operator first. Clear? E power f, d division e f power, because we are converting to postfix expression in which the operator comes after the operand. Clear? Now star g and star h. Again a plus b star c यहाँ पर हम convert कर लेते हैं, then b c star, then minus d e f जो आपका सॉल्व है ऑलरेडी, d e f power, then division, then star g, then star h. Clear? Done? Now this is the part of this expression. This is a single expression and we have to convert this expression first, because multiplication operator is here and here one operator is given which is subtraction operator. Again a plus bc star minus d e f power, then division, then g star h. Clear? Now we have to solve this expression in which this one is already sorted and this one is already sorted or sort. यहाँ पर हमें नेगेटिव ऑपरेटर है, माइनस ऑपरेटर है, सब्ट्रैक्शन है, इसको हमें क्या करना है? सॉल्व करना है. बी सी स्टार डी ई एफ, नेगेटिव हमका सबसे बाद में चला जाएगा, पावर, देन डिवीजन, देन जी स्टार, देन माइनस. क्लियर? अगेन स्टार एच. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू firstly solve this multiplication operator. A plus bc star d e f, then division g star minus, then h star. Clear? Now we have to solve this one. ये आपका एक ऑपरेंड हो जाएगा और ये आपका एक ऑपरेंड हो जाएगा. Then the final answer is A बी सी स्टार, यह आपका सबसे लास्ट में चला जाएगा, देन डी ई एफ पावर डिवीजन जी स्टार माइनस एच स्टार, then plus. This is the final answer for this postfix expression. Now check whether the given question answer is correct or not. A B C star D E F power oblique G star minus H star and plus. Clear? Done. Now you can convert these kind of questions into postfix expression. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to use this solved postfix expression to show stack status. Clear? ये हम पहले से ही इसका आंसर लिख लेंगे यहाँ पर. Done? What is the answer? The conversion is A, B, C, then star, D, E, F, then the power division G star minus H star and plus. Clear? What we have to do? Now we have to show स्टैक स्टेटस इन टेबुलर फॉर्म. तो सबसे पहले आपका क्या रहेगा, हमें एक टेबुलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना होगा जिसमें कुछ हमें रखना होगा. एक आपका हो जाएगा सिंबल स्कैन, जो सिंबल आपका स्कैन हो रहा होगा. दूसरा स्टैक हो जाएगा, जो सिंबल्स और ऑपरेटर एंड ऑपरेंड्स जो भी है आपका, जो भी आपका स्टैक में पुश एंड पॉप ऑपरेशन जो परफॉर्म होगा वो भी आपका क्या आएगा, स्टैक में आ जाएगा. और इसके बाद जो है आपका एक्सप्रेशन. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू मेक अ टेबल. Symbol scanned in first column, then in second column stack, and in third column the expression. Clear? एक और टेबल बना लेते हैं जिससे हमारा कंप्लीट जो है सॉल्यूशन इसी में मिल जाए. Now the symbol is scanned and stack and expression. Clear? Now firstly what we have to do, we have to scan all the symbols which is converted into postfix expression. First what we have to do, we have to convert the given expression in postfix form, then we have to show stack status after every step in tabular form. This is a tabular form जिसमें हमने दो टेबल बना दी है. कुछ पोर्शन हमारा टेबुलर फॉर्म में यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और कुछ पोर्शन जो आगे फर्दर मूव होगा वो वहां पर आ जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट आर द सिंबल्स? फर्स्टली व्हाट यू हैव टू स्कैन? यू हैव टू स्कैन सिंबल ए, देन बी, देन सी, then star, then D, then E, then F, then the power, then division, after that symbol G, then star, then minus, then H, then star and then plus symbol. Clear? Now what we have to do, we have to update, actually we have to write the original symbols here. By mistake I have entered, because we have to compute the stack operation. Clear? Now, what are the symbols? The symbols are A, then plus, then the parenthesis, then the B, then star, then C minus, again parenthesis, D, then division, after that E, the power, the F, then parenthesis, then star, then G, then parenthesis, star, H, and to close the last one we have to apply parenthesis again. Now, what we have to do? We have to write the symbols in stack. Clear? Symbols in stack, actually we have to remember that in stack column we just write the parenthesis and the operators only. Clear? जो स्टैक का आपका कॉलम होगा इसमें केवल और केवल हमारा पैरेंथेसिस आ सकता है और उसके अलावा आपका क्या आ सकता है, जितने भी हमारे ऑपरेटर्स हैं उसके अलावा जितने भी आपके ऑपरेंड्स हैं वो इसमें नहीं आएंगे। क्लियर? और फाइनली आपका आंसर जो है वो एक्सप्रेशन में इस तरीके से मूव करते हुए इन लास्ट यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर इन फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन इन पोस्टफिक्स फॉर्म। क्लियर? What we have to push in stack? We have to push in stack a parenthesis. Clear? In expression what we have to write? We have to write only A, because we have only symbol A. The symbol scanned is only A. Now again the symbol scanned is plus, and in stack we will only write the parenthesis as well as the operators only. Clear? What is the operator? Plus. Now in expression you will write A, again you will get a new expression, parenthesis. Clear? Now you will get a symbol B, then you will write AB. Clear? Again the star symbol here, then the expression you have to write AB only, then what you will get? The symbol C, which you have to write here. Clear? Now you can easily see in the expression after ABC you will get, due to postfix notation, star operator is there, then you will get a pop operation star from stack. Clear? Now A, B and C star, and what you have to write? The minus operator. Clear? Again symbols are nothing, A, B, C and star, then D, A, B, C star and D. Clear? Now the division operator is there, which will be posed in stack. Clear? And in expression you have to write A, B, C star and D. Clear? This portion has been solved. Now which symbol is going to scan? The symbol E. Clear? Now what you have to do? In stack you will write parenthesis plus parenthesis minus and division, and in expression you will write A, B, C star, D and E. Clear? Again the power operator, you have to push the power operator in stack. Clear? And in expression you have to write A, B, C star, D, E. Again symbol F will be scanned, and you don't need to push in stack, just write the symbol F in expression. Clear? Done. Now according to priority clear, and due to postfix conversion you will write the power operator after f. A B C star D E F and then power. Done. Now star operator is there. Again according to priority you will move or pop division operator from stack and insert, because the symbol scanned is star. डिवीजन आपका यहाँ से पॉप हो जाएगा ए बी सी स्टार डी ई एफ देन and then the division operator. Now symbol G, again write the same operator here, clear. Again you have to write the star due to priority, then star, again the parenthesis you just write this symbol here, star move कर चुका है आपका. Again you will pop subtraction operator and you will get A B C star D E F power division star and minus, clear. Now you have to push the star operator here and in expression you have to write D E F and minus, clear. Now you have to pop the star operator. First you have to push scan symbol is H, then you have to push the scan symbol there in expression, then A B C star D E F and minus H, clear. Now star and plus operator left and the scanned symbol scanned is already finished. Then push pop star and plus operator according to preference and convert in postfix expression. सबसे पहले star pop होगा then आपका plus, clear. A B C star D E F power division star minus H, then star and then plus. Now the whole expression is converted into postfix expression from showing stack status, clear. This is the whole expression which is converted into postfix expression by using stack status. Done. Again one more question is given on the board. Evaluate the postfix expression and expression is given here A B plus C star D division. This expression is already converted into postfix expression and some values are also given. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 5. You have to compute this expression, but how? By using stack operation. जो इससे पहले न्यूमेरिकल हमने किया उसमें क्या हो रहा था, उस पर बेस्ड एक न्यूमेरिकल आपके सामने है and you have to solve this numerical, clear. Now what we have to do? Stack first. How to solve this question? We have to use stack in each and every step and after computation we will get the final answer, clear. We have to scan the symbol. जब हम वहाँ पर कर रहे थे तो scan symbols था, stack में operators थे आपके and then expression आपका आ रहा था. In stack first what we have to do? We have to push A, clear. Now what is the next symbol? B. What you have to do? In stack second you have to do, you have to push B. Again the plus operator is given and the value of A is equal to 2 and the value of B is equal to 3. Again when we scan symbol plus जब हम प्लस ऑपरेटर, जब ऑपरेटर आपका आ रहा था तो उस समय वो क्या हो रहा था, वहां पर एक्सप्रेशन में ट्रांसफर हो रहा था। तो यहां पर स्टैक 3, इन स्टैक 3 आपका कैसा होगा, एम्प्टी होगा, और स्टैक 3 में आपका कौन सा ऑपरेशन चल रहा होगा, 2 + 3, a is equal to b is equal to whatever you will get 5, and this stack is already empty. What we have to do, we have to push the answer after performing the addition operator in empty stack. In stack 4 what we will get, we will get 5. क्लियर। सबसे पहले जब ऑपरेटर परफॉर्म होगा, ऑपरेटर परफॉर्म होने के बाद आपका क्या होगा, स्टैक एम्प्टी हो जाएगा, और एम्प्टी स्टैक में जो भी आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेटर ऑपरेंड्स पे अप्लाई होगा, जो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा वो स्टैक में क्या होगा, पुश होगा, एंड यू हैव टू पुश 5. नाउ अगेन 5 is already there, and in stack 5 what we have to do, we have to push C here, and what is the value of C is 4. Clear? Now in stack 6 what we have to do, already some values are there, C is equal to 4 and 5. Clear? Now after that what is there, here is the star operator. क्या करना होगा हमको, स्टैक एम्प्टी करना होगा, और जो भी ऑपरेटर होगा उसको आपको बाहर क्या करना होगा, परफॉर्म करना होगा। कौन सा ऑपरेटर है, C *5, क्योंकि आप किसको स्कैन कर रहे हैं, स्टार को। C *5, what is the value of C? The value of C is 4 * 5. You will get 20. Now what you have to do in stack 7, you have to push 20. After performing operation you have to push 20 in empty stack. In stack 8 what is the scan symbol, the scan symbol is D, and 20 is already present in stack. What is the value of D? The value of D is 5. Again what you have to do, the scan symbol is division. What you have to do, you have to empty the stack and this is stack number 9. Clear? And you have to perform the division operator on 20. Clear? D, no, 20 upon D means 20 upon, what is the value of D? D is equal to 5. You will get 4. Now what you have to do, in stack 10 you have to push, what you have to push, the value, and the value is 4. This is the final answer. Clear? And we have already converted the given expression or solved the expression in postfix expression by using stack operation. जो numerical पीछे हमने किया था, ये उसी पर based एक questions आपको question मिल गया है, in which in each stack operation we are performing some operation either push or pop, as well as क्या कर रहे हैं हम इसमें ऑपरेंड्स पर ऑपरेटर भी अप्लाई करते जा रहे हैं। जब भी आपका ऑपरेटर ऑपरेंड्स पे अप्लाई होगा उस केस में स्टैक एम्प्टी होगा, और आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेटर ऑन ऑपरेंड्स, ऑपरेटर्स की जो भी वैल्यू मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन जो भी ऑपरेटर परफॉर्म हो रहा होगा उसकी वैल्यू को हमें नेक्स्ट स्टैक ऑपरेशन में क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू पुश द वैल्यू इन नेक्स्ट स्टैक ऑपरेशन। क्लियर? आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर इन दिस वीडियो, and this is all about the stack operation. In our next upcoming video we will include some new topics related to queue, and in examination we will get an option between stack and queue. stack और queue में से हमें कोई एक पोर्शन ही आपको क्या करना होगा, अटेम्प्ट करना होगा। queue के बारे में कुछ बेसिक्स इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो हम प्रोवाइड करा देंगे। क्लियर? That's all for the today. Thank you for watching my video.